Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to like songs on Amazon Music. First of all, launch open Amazon Music website or application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the homepage of Amazon Music, go ahead and discover musics you'd like to add to your liked list. Find the music you want to like, and then once you're inside the music info section where you can see the playlist of the album, go ahead and select the song you'd like to add. Tap on the like button or the heart icon right next to the song, and you'll be able to choose the song and add it to your liked list. Now the song has been added to your My Likes playlist. You can go to the top left corner and tap on the heart icon at the top and select music. And you'll then be able to see all of the musics that you've liked inside your My Likes playlist. And there you have it. That is how you can easily like a song on Amazon Music. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.